It doesn't matter where you live and what you do. If you are a true skincare junkie, then you will agree with me that 2025 was the year for Dr. Althea. Whether it was the 345 cream, then the 147 cream, and today it is the marine cream and the face mist, something or the other goes viral from Dr. Althea every single month. And is it only smart marketing? Your products maybe dum hai. That is what we're going to talk about today, because in today's video, I'm going to do a deep dive into Dr. Althea. I have with me here about 6 products that I have tried. Some of these products I have tried over and over again, and I'm going to give you a full deep dive of these products. We will talk about who this is for, is it really worth it, and do the viral claims really live up to the truth? And the next part is going to be very, very interesting. I'm also going to give you dupes, because if you do want to try these products and you want to see कि यार इतने सारे अच्छे ingredients हैं, what is the impact it is going to have on my skin, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, then I'm going to give you dupes for each of the products in every single category, so that you, if you're wanting to experiment, if you're wanting to try something out, you can do it on a budget. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी skincare bestie and a certified skincare consultant. Today's video is a deep dive into Dr. Althea. Before we get started, you know the drill. Like, subscribe if you enjoy science-backed skincare content, and now let's get into it. The first cream I'm going to talk about is not the viral 345. We will come to the viral 345. I'm going to talk about the 147. This is a cream I have personally gone through 2 tubes of, and this is something I need to tell you about Dr. Althea. Somehow, if you're using this morning and evening, and while you are getting 50 ml, which is a pretty standard size, ये बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. So, the 147 cream, 147, 345, logic क्या है? This is a beautiful way, I personally feel, it is a great way to do the storytelling for a brand. 147 really represents the ingredient story. One skin soothing ingredient, 4 types of nourishing ingredients, which are ceramides in this case, and 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. All of that goodness together gives you 147. This is targeted and marketed as a barrier recovery cream or a barrier repair cream, and this is ideally if you have normal to dry skin, but largely it is for people who have dry skin. What does it do? What can you expect? It works like just any other good moisturizer that is going to calm your skin, that is going to soften your skin and make your skin feel really, really healthy. This product primarily is great because of the ceramides and the hyaluronic acid. This is what you need to remember. It has a good concentration of ceramides and a good concentration of different hyaluronic acids. What you also need to understand is that when we talk about barrier recovery creams, a lot of them are cream format. थोड़ा सा thick, थोड़ा सा goopy, a little sticky. This is beautifully formulated. It is still in the cream moisturizer form. It is thicker than the other creams that Dr. Althea has, but it is still very easy, glides on your skin beautifully, gives you a really nice glow, फटाक से absorb होती है. It is absolutely beautiful. I would highly recommend this cream if you are someone who has dry skin, even if you have acne prone skin. Basically, anyone and everyone with dry skin can use this product. But एक बार dupes भी सुन लो. So I'm going to give you 2 dupes. One is going to be a super affordable dupe, and one is going to be a little mehenga dupe. One dupe for this product is going to be the Dot & Key Barrier Recovery Moisturizer, that kind that comes in a tube, not the kind that comes in a jar. That is also got ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Obviously, the concentration may vary, but when you apply both of these products side by side, the kind of impact it has on your skin is extremely, extremely similar. In fact, if I wanted to do a blind test after applying both the creams, if I did a blind test on somebody else and apply this cream on one side and the Dot & Key on one side, in about 20 minutes your skin will feel exactly the same. The only thing that is different is texture. This is a gel creamy texture, and that is more of a moisturizer kind of a texture. Texture में फर्क है, performance is similar. But if you still want to go a little higher and extend your budget, then another great ceramide moisturizer, which is in a moisturizer format, is the Estura Atto Barrier Recovery Moisturizer. It has those tiny balls of ceramides, and it's absolutely fabulous. So these are the dupes, and this is the original cream. I personally really like it. I am going to repurchase it. Now let's talk about the extremely viral 345 cream. Why is it 345? 3 ingredients that are good for blemishes: resveratrol, niacinamide, and one more. 3 ingredients which are good for blemishes, yani acne, acne marks. 4 ingredients that are good for nourishing your skin: ceramides, panthenol, and 2 more. And then 5 ingredients that are skin soothing: centella, so and so forth. So basically 345 is किस type के ingredient categories इस cream में गए हैं. Now with this cream, and I've used about two tubes, and this is the third empty tube, and I've not used it alone. It's been shared between me and my husband. So I have a couple of thoughts and a couple of things that I want to clarify. You know, when nowadays the trend on social media is to see these absolutely viral 7-day 14-day transformations. मतलब यहाँ पे acne है, cream लगाई, अगले दिन cream लगाई, तीसरे दिन cream लगाई, cream, and then in 7 days acne marks are gone, or the skin is dry and crusty, red, inflamed in 7 days, glass skin. ऐसा नहीं होता, guys. And nowadays, so creators are also very cool. वो खुद ही a lot of creators are recreating those videos, showing कि exactly ये कैसे करते हैं, right? So they're taking a dig at everyone, and it's quite entertaining to watch. So people do all kinds of things for rage bait, views, whatever else. What I'm trying to say is 7-day transformation is not possible. 14-day, 30-day, कितने भी days ले लो, transformation is not possible. This, if you have red acne marks or you have brown acne marks, इस cream से नहीं जाएगा. You will have to use your azelaic acid, a depigmentation serum like Caudalie, Asaya, whatever else. You will have to use those products when it comes to getting rid of the pigmentation. But this is great if you are someone with oily, acne-prone skin, or even if you have active acne. Kyun? Because when you are treating acne, you end up using products that are drying, adapalene, benzoyl peroxide. So this really works on your skin barrier, keeps it calm, keeps it restored, keeps it, soothes it. It is a really good cream, but please do not expect that it is going to completely transform your skin. Iska dupe I already gave you guys in the month of July last year, the Formula RX Barrier Recovery Moisturizer, the gel version. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. As I had explained to you in that video, the Formula RX formula also leans in towards using ceramide and niacinamide, very similar to this formula. Obviously, this has Cica, it has plant botanicals, जो Formula RX में नहीं है. But again, the price difference is also quite a bit. Overall, the cream from Formula RX is also really good, and that was a dupe I found last year in July because, I was obviously testing this out and I was trying to find dupes. So that one is a really, really good one if you really want to try something that is going to give you a similar impact, or if you are someone who struggles with oily, acne-prone skin. This one is good. My rating on this is a good 7 on 10, but do not expect miracles. I find the marketing around this is a little shady. Now let's talk about a cream जो बिल्कुल viral नहीं है. Nobody's talking about it, but it is a cream I absolutely love, and that is the Dr Althea Reju 5000 cream. This is supposed to have PDRN 5000 ppm. 5000 ppm is 0.5%. This is a cream that uses vegan PDRN. You do not get salmon DNA. ये Centella asiatica का PDRN form use करता है. It is lightweight gel, deeply moisturizing, absolutely beautiful. While they say that this cream can improve the texture and the elasticity of the skin, I used this non-stop till the time it finished, and it's only 20 grams. It lasted me about 8-9 days, morning and evening use mein. It lasted me 8 and 9 days, and I did not see any improvement in texture or elasticity. But what I can say that this is really, really good. They don't call it a barrier recovery cream because they already have barrier recovery creams, but because this is made with Centella water, it is so good for your skin barrier. In fact, I was using this when I was in the US and my skin was very dry and irritated. I was using it quite a bit till it finished. I've just kept the empty to show you guys, but this is a really, really good product. It is not going to be a great anti-aging product or any of those elasticity, anti-wrinkle, none of those things, but just as a moisturizer, it's really good. Gel based, very, very light. This is also safe if you have acne prone skin or if you have active acne. So that is my review. Now I have to give you a dupe as well. So a dupe for this, because this uses plant PDRN, इसका affordable dupe देना बहुत आसान है. When I was in December, there's a small Indian brand by the name of House of Beauty. They had sent me PR. They have a PDRN serum. Texture अलग है, but both of them use plant PDRN. So we can actually say that that is a kind of a dupe for this particular one. If you're a vegan or you generally like to buy vegan products or you support vegan products, the good news is Dr Althea is completely a vegan brand. All of their products are vegan. Now let's come to product number 4. This is one of the latest purchase. This is the Aquamarine watery cream, and I'm not using this. This is being used by my husband, and this time they have not given anything like numbers 147, 345, 206. ऐसा कोई number नहीं इन्होंने दिया है. This is a cream which is such a great formula. He has oily skin, oily acne prone skin, and the texture of this cream is literally like a water cream. but it gives your skin the most beautiful glass skin glow because it has a lot of nice emollients. As you will use this cream, it's like you're applying a moisturizer, but it changes texture. It turns into water on application. A really good formula in terms of just the way it feels on the skin. Also, it is a bit cooling, so I've also tried it out for myself, and your skin feels a little cool when you apply it. What is really interesting in this is that they actually use bamboo water. So you know, aloe is a ingredient that is commonly used in a lot of skincare, and aloe water is something used. A lot of things that the Koreans use is bamboo water. So this uses bamboo water. It obviously has normal water, panthenol, it has a lot of hydrating ingredients, and they have a lot of marine extracts. The formula is truly unique. Like, there are a lot of water gel creams that I have recommended in the past, Beauty of Joseon being one of my favorites. And quite a few. I have done like a whole video on water gel moisturizers. This is a very unique formula. Like I said, your moisturizer turns into water on your skin on application. It feels absolutely beautiful. This product is something that I would say is great for people who have oily skin, oily acne prone skin, oily skin in general. Summer months may, this is a product I feel people with oily skin will really enjoy. But I have to give you a dupe, and I have two dupes for you. One dupe, which is very similar in texture, is going to be the new Wishcare Launch 2 moisturizer. One is a barrier bounce, which is for normal to dry skin, and then they have a oily skin moisturizer. Obviously, if you're looking at the Wishcare formula, it doesn't, of course I had to drop something. It doesn't have bamboo water, obviously. It doesn't have marine extracts, exactly. So how is it a dupe? It is a dupe on performance. The Wishcare formula is a gel-based formula जो बहुत similar function देता है आपको, like the Dr Althea, and it has a similar texture. And just on a texture basis, I'm going to call it a dupe. Not from an ingredient story, because the ingredients that Wishcare uses is very different. Zinc, niacinamide, sodium PCA, oil controlling kind of ingredients. इसकी ingredient story different है. But if you want if you're looking for a moisturizer जो gel भी है, जिसमें marine extracts भी हैं, which is really simple, then a beautiful affordable moisturizer that I found is by a brand called Naturally. Naturally has a marine water gel cream that comes in a jar. This, if you look at the ingredient and the story, this is a much better ingredient overlap, because they're also using some kind of marine extracts. It's a water gel formula, and it is absolutely hydrating. The next product we're going to talk about is this, the Aquamarine spray, and it was literally going viral. I've shown you in a previous video because ye jelly hai, it's not water, and then when you open it and you spray it, it just sprays like regular water. So people are finding that very interesting. It's a nice hydrating spray. If you have a hyaluronic acid toner, I promise you, go put a spray bottle ka thing on it and go tuck, you will see really similar benefits. Iske profile mein kya hai? You get marine water, which is unique because marine water is rich in iron and minerals, and uski profile change ho jati hai than regular distilled water or using aloe based water. So there is a clear difference in the fact that they've used marine water. It has plant PDRN. It also has different weights of molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. So all in all, it's a really good product, and honestly, I'm right at the end of it, and maybe as it gets hot in the summers in a couple of months in Dubai, I will actually go ahead and repurchase it. There's nothing negative that I have to say about this product. The only thing I have to say is that it's not a must-have. If you have hyaluronic acid, if you have hyaluronic acid toners, you don't have to go and rush and buy this product unless you're just impressed that, oh, it's so cute and jelly-like. It's a good product. Finding the dupe was difficult because a lot of products, whether you're looking at Indian or other dupes, a lot of people have mists, hyaluronic acid based mists, but a lot of people are not using marine water. But I did, surprisingly, and I've not personally used this product. मैं सिर्फ ingredient list के basis पे आपको dupe दे रही हूँ. It is the Plum 1% marine water spray. They also use marine water. It again has hyaluronic acid. So from a profile perspective, it is very similar. It is a nice hydrating mist, which is much like Dr. Althea. However, there is no dupe that I have found that is doing the whole jelly format. The jelly format mist today you find in other Korean brands, like Medicube has 2 formats, Dr. Althea has 1, and I'm sure more brands are going to copy this format because that's what happens in Korean skincare. One brand goes viral and then everyone is copying it. Indian brands, I did not find a dupe that has got this whole jelly format going at the point, but Plum has a very similar ingredient story. And finally, the 345 cream mist. Again, I'm right at the end. ये biphasic है, so when you shake it up, it becomes a nice white liquid. उससे पहले you will see the oil and water separating. Very similar. Everything that you've got in the 345 cream is what you've got in here, and this is a nice light moisturizer. Great if your skin is dry, if your skin is normal, if your skin is combination. If your skin is extremely oily, I don't think you need this product. Then probably the marine water is a better pick for you. This is nice, this is hydrating, and you know what this product reminded me of? This actually reminded me of another Korean product, another mist that I have loved and recommended to you way back, I believe in 2023 or maybe 2024, I can't remember. That was the Cosrx Ceramide Mist. The Cosrx Ceramide Mist is exactly what this reminds me of. However, iska jo spray hai is much finer, and the formula and the viscosity, yani iski thickness, is much less. The ceramide one from Cosrx is a little thicker, but honestly they are both very similar. And here is my final verdict. If you are someone with extremely dry skin, mature skin, the Cosrx Ceramide Mist is still going to be a much better pick for you. And this is great if you're like normal combination, slightly dry. This is a good one. But let me give you a dupe. And the dupe is also by Plum. They had recently, I believe last year, launched the Ceramide Mist, which is called CeraSense. And that would be a very close dupe. Obviously, Plum doesn't have the same, plant botanicals in their formula, much like the 345 cream or mist, but from a performance perspective it is very similar. Agar ingredient overlap ki baat kare, it is about a 40% ingredient overlap, which I think is really healthy given the fact that the Plum one is so affordable. All in all, this is a good mist. This is something I'm personally not going to repurchase. If I do need to get something super hydrating, I think I'm going to go back to my Cosrx Ceramide Mist. This one is a good one, the jelly one. This is really nice. I might go, I might sort of repurchase it in the summer. Overall, these are good products, but these are not must-haves, and that is where it is important. You need to realize that, everything or the other is going to go viral at some point or the other on the internet. Especially in Korean skincare today, we have all kinds of brands doing all kinds of things. You have to be very careful on the number of products you introduce into your routine, because excitement mein zyada products introduce kar diye, and then if you tend to break out, you will never know what has irritated your skin. So you have to keep your skincare routine simple, or rather as simple as possible. So this was a complete deep dive on Dr. Althea along with the dupes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. I'm really building my content calendar, so do let me know what are the other videos you want to see in the upcoming weeks. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.